Jahrastafari Zxulu beats banging. Jahrastafari Zxulu Bumba. Happy Magal, part 2. I'm in the car, bland taxi, transportation. Val, what's going on?
Everything's everything.
Happy Magal. Let me explain to you what the Magal is. Now, real quick. The Magal is when Sheikh Bumba. Jahrastafari Zxulu Ndigeuel Fall, by the way. Back, Sheikh, bitch. Anyway, so in West Africa, Senegal, they're celebrating Sheikh Bumba, who in 1927 supposedly died. Anyway, the French, when they went to colonize, watch it. Thank you, Sheikh. Almost had an accident. Anyway, when the French came to colonize Senegal, West Africa, like make slaves out of them, they grabbed Sheikh Bumba, threw him in the forest for 7 years to die by himself. Think of the worst forest ever you get thrown in. Like, see that shit right there?
Yeah.
See that he chopping it down? Yeah. Right there? See them people chopping shit down? Boom. They threw him in the forest 7 years to die, right? Right. All right. Cool. Fast forward all that. Why are we celebrating? Because today is the day he came back out of that forest. When everybody thought he was going to be dead, died, gone, because you went to that forest, you was gone. He came back and then built the holy city of Touba, where they going crazy at today. Where 4 million people around the world, 4 million people around the world are attracted to Senegal, West Africa today, into holy city of Touba, to celebrate a black man. Let me break it down. Let me get off the holy shit. I'm going to get off the holy shit real quick. There is a party in West Africa for a black man and 4 million people going to it, and he ain't even gonna be there.
Wow.
Nah, you ain't get me. I said there is a party in West Africa for a black man named Sheikh Bumba. It's going to attract 4 million people from every nationality will be there, and he ain't gonna be there.
Never heard of it. Never heard of it.
It's called the Magal. So, if you know like I know, they say if you participate in this celebration, you get a blessing. It'll wipe away like 70 years of bad karma and replace it with good karma. So all you got to do is say, Happy Magal and Amen, and immediately 70 years of bad karma and 70 years of good karma will come on you and your family line. You'll wipe away all that sin just because you said Happy Magal.
Happy Magal.
Happy Magal.
That's right.
That's how I'm celebrating. I'm sharing the word. You should too. Happy Magal. Wipe everybody's shit away. Peace.
Peace. Happy Magal.
Zxulu Ndigeuel Fall. Back. Bomba fast.